Good afternoon, Melton drivers. Today we're going to do a quick video about truck washes. We've had some questions about this recently. So to start, when you're out on the road, you can see I've got the Blue Beacon website pulled up here. We exclusively use Blue Beacon on the road, but we have an account with them. You guys don't have to worry about paying for anything. To find these, if you're out on the road, you don't want to call in or you don't have time to call in, you can just use your phone. You can download the Blue Beacon app, or you can go to their website and click on locations up here, and it will bring up the map to show you all the locations. If you scroll up on here a little bit, it has a search box where you can search for whatever you want to find, whatever your address is. So that's what we use. That's how we get there. So for you guys, whenever you do get to a Blue Beacon, all you have to do is pull up to the shop, let them know what you need, which is just going to be a simple truck and trailer wash. They'll pull you in the shop, wash the truck and trailer. The only thing you have to do is fill out one little small piece of paper that has your first name, last name, truck number, and trailer number on it. You'll have to sign that, give that to them, and that's it. They'll bill our account. You don't have to worry about paying for anything out of pocket. The only caveat to that is if you want an engine wash, the way the accounts are set up, we can't add those to it, so you will have to pay for that, but it's only $9. And if you do want one of those and get it done, keep that receipt, send it in for reimbursement, and we will reimburse you for that. Alternative to this, if you're at the Tulsa or the Laredo terminals, you can also wash at the terminals yourself. We have wash bays at both terminals. They're not manned by anybody, so you'll have to wash it yourself, but that is an option if you want to do it that way. The last thing to cover on this is the wash intervals. So we have a 21-day wash interval. So every 21 days you can go get it washed. You don't have to call in to get approval or anything like that. You just go get it washed and they'll take care of it. If you're a road recruiter, you can get it every 14 days. So there's a little incentive there for those guys to keep their trucks clean, obviously. And with that, if for any reason you need to get your truck washed, if you go through mud or you get covered in salt and it hasn't been 21 days, you can call in to us and we can authorize an additional wash if we need to. So don't worry about that. If you need to call in for one, feel free. We'd much rather keep the truck clean than let it run around dirty. So if you ever need one, just call in and let us know. Hope that answers all your questions that you might have. If you have any other questions regarding washes or anything else, feel free to call in to us at Outside Repair. Number is 918-779-6679. Thank you.